Hi, my name is Melissa Seiss. I'm a consultant with CampaignCouncil.org. If you're considering a capital campaign but don't quite know where to start, you've come to the right place. At CampaignCouncil.org, we offer a free workshop for you, your board, and your staff. During our 1-hour informational session, one or two consultants from our company will do a deep dive on everything you need to know before you start a capital campaign. What you learn may surprise you. First, we'll cover the rationale and benefits behind conducting a feasibility study, or as we call them, campaign planning studies. We'll talk about how to answer key questions like how much money can we raise and when should we start. After discussing the importance of these campaign planning studies, our team also reviews what you can and should expect from your consultants. Remember, this workshop comes with no obligation to hire our company for your planning or management. We often discover that nonprofits are surprised at the amount of time that it takes to move from one phase of the capital campaign process to the next, and the steps that are involved with each phase. That's why we conclude our free workshop with an overview of every campaign phase, so that you, your board, and your staff have a better understanding of the process before you take on a capital campaign. After our 1-hour informational session, we'll reserve 20 to 30 minutes to answer any questions you may have. At CampaignCouncil.org, we keep a manageable number of clients whose projects we are passionate about. We love nothing more than to see you succeed. That's why we're so happy to offer this free workshop for you. If you have questions or would like to schedule a free workshop, please click the link or send me an email. I can't wait to connect with you.